Walang kupa si the legend and birthday boy Mark Pingris, pinag-aapatan na pero kulang pa. May nadamay pang referee sa playoffs intensity at pisikalan, lock-in din si Carlo Lastimosa sa Game 1. Ang daming binibitbit sa pag-atake, may hinilo pa. Batiin natin si Pingris mga boss ng happy birthday sa Comsec and shoutout na rin sa mga nag-like, comment and share ng ating video. Panoorin natin ang highlights ng laban. I-like and share mo lang ang ating video and mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube.
8 seconds on the shot clock here. Lastimosa drops it off to Pingris in a good position there. Mark Pingris. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Capson, 3 seconds. The fadeaway from Eric Capson. He slows down. Pamboy Raimundo will shoot the 3 and knock it down. Oh! Binitbit!
Kanilang veteran leader na si Mark Pingris na nagdala pa ng good vibes and Jollibee treats kanina.
Alwin again. Tries to get past Pamboy, looking for a friend. Nahanap si Tolentino. At siya pa yung na-reward doon. Lastimosa with another hang time move.
Katriyan dito si Bam Lopez. Talaga pinapasok ni Coach Boyd.
Yun ang silbi.
Yun ang silbi ng pagpasok. He's a great role player that doesn't really need the ball at times. Ganda ng off-ball movement niya doon.
Talking about off-ball movements.
There you go.
Sumabagal ang 4 ng kabilang team. Kaya niya talaga i-beat din.
Because he's a stretch 4 na pwedeng ilaro sa
attacks. Labas kay Bonifacio, who just hit his first 3 of the game. Ballesteros with the angle.
Offensive gunpowder for Binyan.
Nice drive there from Naive. And usually the game really slows down in the playoffs. Naive with a blow-by.
Isolate Zero Kaporba with the top ball screen there.
Pingris with the offensive rebound. Oh, that is big time. Mga fans ni Alwin, si Daniel Arboleda.
There you go.
And another pass. Hindi na namin sasabihin. Manala, what a pass! Ganda! Ang ganda nun. Para Roca Curva goes to Maestre. 10 assists for Binyan. 8 for Rizal. But Carlo. Roca Curva goes to Maestre. 10 assists for Binyan. 8 for Rizal. But Carlo lost 21 to 14 in the quarter. Lastimosa with a crossover. Oh boy! Curva gets away, and this is a fast break basket. Fast break points is really impressive. Capson, yes.
Manood sa 1x Sports ng kahit anong basketball live broadcast gamit ang ating promo code na Notch. I-scan mo lamang ang ating QR code.
Philip Manalang. Manalang will fire.
There you go.
Got it.
And Sobido Sobido also pala.
Tsaka kung gamitan ng katawan, hindi ganun kadali mausog. Pingris. Layup. Got it.
Kaya talagang itong quarter to gusto i-stop si Carlo Lastimosa.
Capson single coverage. And it was, what a rebound from Roca Curva, leads the break.
What a pass to
Alday drives. Tough shot. Alwin Alday. Dito sa kabila.
Pinabawi talaga nila sa depensa. Kaya kung di sila nakascore, hindi rin nila pinapaskore yung kalaban.
Caballero.
Wow!
Oh, how did he get that?
And you know, doon mo makikita talaga yung chemistry ng isang team. As
Turo Curva ends up with Kenny. 3-on-1. Maestre will lay it in. Of cramps here, they might need a substitution. It happened so fast, Andre.
Oh, definitely. Doon pa lang nahirapan na siya.
Yeah.
I think he might have pulled something there.
Maybe his hamstring.
Yeah.
Para sa Binyan, nakaagaw si Cañete. Nice return.
How hard it is to
Oh, how hard is
how
that?
That is definitely. I don't think people understand how hard it is to average 55%.
Yan past the quarterfinals, proving that the vets still know how to get it done when it matters most. Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat.
Si Mark Pingris.
Pinahirapan siya ni Bonifacio. Capson. Iba ang club eh. Atake si Naive. Count the basket plus the foul.
Bonifacio and Capson here.
Capson, the step back. Lastimosa to Pamboy. Raimundo drives off the glass and in. That's a big shot.
Depends kay Eric Capson.
Capson, jumper.
Wow!
Bayan saves it. Luka Corva, he will get the roll. A crucial basket. Viñana will strike first here in this best of 3 quarterfinal series.